want to sign into WhatsApp on another phone without losing your chats, first make sure WhatsApp is already set in your main phone. Now on the second phone, you want to install WhatsApp. Now you will see this welcome screen. Here you want to tap on agree and continue. Now normally you will have to enter your mobile number over here. But since you already have logged into your primary account, you want to tap on the three dots at the top right. Then you have the option link as companion device. Select that. Now you will receive this QR code over here. Now you want to open WhatsApp on your primary phone, then tap on the three dots. Now tap link devices, then tap link a device. Point your phone to this screen to capture the code. Once you do that, you will be successfully logged into your account. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.